Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and check someone's location in Google Maps? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. You can check someone's location in Google Maps only if they have explicitly shared their real-time location with you using the app's location sharing feature. It is not possible to track a private individual without their knowledge or consent. So in order to go ahead and check a shared location, what you can do is simply go ahead and open your Google Maps, then tap on your profile picture. And once you've done that, you need to simply go ahead and select location sharing. And finally, tap the profile icon or name of the person you want to locate from the list at the bottom of the screen, and the map will automatically zoom to their current real-time location. You may also see their name, the time their location was last updated, and their device's battery status. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.